Thank you very much for being here, for making this interview with me.
Pleasure.
Okay, so let's start with the very first question. In late 2022, you stepped up to complement the Comprion's team of managing directors. I would be interested in what are your most noteworthy observations in this new role?
Yeah, so starting as a managing director came with a wide range of new responsibilities and challenges. And to cope with them, it's important that you improve and develop your skills and knowledge. And this is a continuous process of learning and adapting.
I recognize that there are a lot of more organizational tasks than what you see from the outside. Simply to run the company, to be compliant to German law, to be compliant to international law. And that is a lot of work and a lot of things that I need to learn. And that is something which I was aware of, but nevertheless is a lot of more than I thought about.
What do you regard as some noteworthy achievements of Comprion in the last year?
Well, Comprion is very well established within the SIM card, UICC and device testing. With the eSIM, this total ecosystem changed. So you have to cope with devices coming with an eSIM, where it was formally separated, and we managed on the one hand side to get track on what has been standardized, what customers' requests are for early implementations, and that is something that we managed quite well, and that is, from my point of view, one of the main things to establish Comprion as the eSIM and RSP remote SIM provisioning test equipment company.
So in addition with introducing our NFC test solutions for the CCC digital key, we got a lot of traction in the automotive market. The solution is validated by the CCC, having proven its correctness during multiple plug tests. Various car manufacturers and their supplier are using Comprion solutions for a long time, but having now the CCC digital key solution enables us to extend the offer for that.
Right from the beginning, Comprion was very strong within the telecommunication area. That started with 2G, and now we are with 5G, and we managed to handle all the 5G requirements that were coming from customers, as well as from standardization and other organizations, like certification organizations. So that's also an achievement that I would see is really quite important for us as company and for our customers, to be a sustainable partner in this area.
How do you see the industry evolving in the areas that Comprion is active in?
5G RedCap is a new 5G standard for 5G use cases addressing the IoT market. We think that the RedCap will probably play an important role for future IoT deployments. In addition, we will have a continuous transition from SIM to eSIM, meaning more and more devices will be equipped with eSIMs. And we will see first devices having eSIMs according to the latest GSMA specification for IoT devices.
Besides that, we see that for the technology that Comprion supports, there are more and more use cases coming up that put things together, different technologies. For example, like the EMVCO, the payment stuff, comes together with electrical vehicle charging.
In the automotive area, we are continuing our engagement for the CCC digital key solution, meaning our solutions will not only cover the testing of NFC, we will cover as well the testing of Bluetooth.
That is a discussion that is going on. There are other discussions in similar places. Jens already mentioned the CCC, where we have different technologies, where we have solutions for one or the other technology, but we need to combine them to help our customers to get a use case that he would like to support up and running. And that is something that we see at the moment.
How do you see the role of testing and conformance testing evolving in this industry?
From our discussions with customers and industry partners, we see two major aspects. So testing will play an important role to ensure high quality, but testing has to be set up in a way to be very efficient. And therefore, Comprion is anticipating this by offering solutions that simplify the testing and automate the testing.
As you know, Comprion, we believe in standards. So we will trust what STOs are doing. Based on that, we create a conformance specification. And as already mentioned, sometimes they are quite late. So therefore, we need to get really in a stage where we see that we need to be more efficient, as Jens already mentioned, to create test tools, test methods to help our customers in a very early stage of developing a technology. And that is what we would like to achieve.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's all questions I have for you today. Thank you for answering them.
Yeah.
To you.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.